In this guide, you'll learn how to connect Shopify with Google Merchant Center, a crucial step for anyone looking to showcase products across Google's shopping surfaces. This connection helps your store reach more potential buyers, improves product visibility, and makes managing listings much easier. Let's walk through everything from preparation to completion in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Before starting, make sure a few important things are ready. Your Shopify store should be active and your products should already be listed. You'll also need a Google account to access Google Merchant Center. If you haven't created one yet, set it up through the Merchant Center website. Another essential requirement is making sure your store's domain is verified and claimed inside Merchant Center. This proves ownership and prevents any issues with syncing your store. Lastly, confirm that your products meet Google's product data guidelines so they don't get disapproved later. When your setup is complete, it's time to install Shopify's official integration tool. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on the Apps section. Then open the Shopify App Store and search for the Google and YouTube app. This is a replacement for the earlier Google Channel app. Once you find it, select Install and follow the simple on-screen instructions. The installation is usually quick and beginner-friendly. After the app is installed, you'll be guided to connect your Google account and Google Merchant Center to Shopify. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account before connecting. Shopify will walk you through a confirmation process, linking everything securely and accurately. This ensures your listings sync properly without mix-ups. Next, you'll want to verify and claim your website inside Google Merchant Center. Go to the Business Information section and open the Online Store tab. There, you should see your website automatically appear. If everything was set up correctly, it should already be marked as verified and claimed. If not, it may mean you need to review your store settings or reconnect your Shopify Google integration. Once these steps are complete, your store is officially connected to Google Merchant Center. Your products will now begin syncing and will become eligible to appear on Google Shopping and other Google surfaces. This connection helps expand your store's reach and gives your business an excellent opportunity to attract more customers. By following this simple guide, you've successfully linked Shopify with Google Merchant Center. This setup is vital for optimizing your online presence, increasing product exposure, and improving your chances of making more sales. Keep exploring and refining your store for even better performance. Thanks for reading and enjoy growing your online business.